This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Remodeled and ready to move in. Updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with open living area and dining area and quiet Cimarron cul-de-sac. Tile flooring throughout high traffic areas, granite countertops, stainless appliances, carpet in bedrooms. Sliding patio door leads to outdoor deck and large backyard. Zoned to great schools. Easy access to I-10, shopping and other conveniences. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.